Well, we try and do, I'd say, four main things to try and help instructors to adopt our textbook easily into their existing courses. The first is, as both Bob and Svi mentioned, that it's principles based. So we have our 10 principles that really permeate through the entirety of the book and really pull it all together. The second is that the book is modular. So we have three different parts for the book. The first part is core concepts and principles. The second part is corporate finance. And then the third is asset pricing and financial markets. And for an instructor, the idea is that it should be easy to see from the structure of our book how to adopt it into existing courses as well as new courses they might want to develop. So for example, an introductory course, depending on the length, could cover all three parts or could cover the first part. And then if it wanted to be more corporate finance focused, could cover the second part. Additionally, the book would also serve follow-on courses beyond the introductory course. So a course on corporate finance could focus exclusively or mostly on part two. The third feature of the book that I think helps with adoption is that we try as much as we can to have clear step-by-step explanations of both the intuitive concepts as well as the mathematical examples. We include a lot of mathematical examples in the text with solutions. We have a number of quick check problems that both instructors as well as students can look and see the answers to those questions. And for each of them, we try and go step by step, very clearly showing which equations we use within the text, and then also trying not to skip any steps of the math, but really explain step by step the intuition of how to solve the problem. And then the final thing that I think will make our textbook appealing for adoption is the online suite of supplemental resources. We have supplemental Excel apps for many of the chapters that reinforce the concepts in the chapters and reinforce problem solving and how to view certain concepts in the chapters. We also have an online test bank of more than 800 questions, and these include questions that have randomly generated numbers that can be reused by instructors. So this can be used for both quizzes and tests as well as extra practice for the students. And then finally, we also have a suite of online videos, short videos that explain different concepts within the chapters. So I think combined, our hope is that with these different aspects of the books, they should make adoption for instructors a lot more straightforward. That can be adopted, again, into existing courses as well as developed into new courses, and also should help the learning on the part of the student be much more straightforward.